Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead today to talking about one of the tweak which is I waiting on it to download on my jailbroken device. And let's go ahead and talking today about the multiple. And just yesterday the developer he already tweet and he already speak about that tweak, and he add more configuration stuff and some update to match that tweak to work with the floating DAC. I've never downloaded that tweak from a long time ago. I'm just waiting for the developer to make that tweak working with the floating DAC. You can see right now here that I already and still I'm using my floating DAC here, and it works just fine with my setup here. So if I want to swipe on it, I can switch into my audio, my battery here, my watch, and some other stuff just like that. I can just tap and hold to lock all the apps on my deck here, and this is what the tweak it's all about. If we go ahead right now and navigate to under the settings, the first thing that you need to do to enable the tweak, the user guide here. If you want to read about the tweak, how is the tweak will be work, you can read the guide here. This is going to be for you. Select the widgets, which is the one that I already shown you, which you can choose your music, you can choose your battery, your activity, something like that. You can choose from there. And also you have the gesture here. So if you tap on it, this will be giving you three different kind of configuration, which is swipe up, down, swipe left, right, the double tap. This will be for that gesture, and the animation here. So you have up, down, left, right, and the fade. The one that I use, it's a fade. And also we have the animation duration here, the slider if you want to adjust that way. Also we have another section if you want the long press to lock the DAC, which is the one that I show you already. Hide the lock icon if you want to untoggle that. And also we have another section if you want to refresh rate, so you can keep that. It's going to be up to you, but I keep it on default or never. And also we have another section to rotate widgets instead of refreshing. If you want to toggle that and toggle that the way you like, but I highly recommend you guys to read every single thing before you toggle any kind of section. Also we have another section if you want to talking about the applications here, or the talking about the normal page dots position. Also we have another section for hide DAC page labels, and if you want to hide page dots, and also the dark theme, you can toggle and toggle each single one if you like to. And also we have other section if you want to dock icon limit, if you want to toggle that. And we have another section for the music widget if you want to the work corner reduce, if you want to toggle that. Once you toggle this one from here, this will be allow you how much you want it if you want to play with this one. And we have the application to open, how much you want to open it. If no playing, or you want to tap here, this will be allow you and show you if you want to place this one with the App Store or the App Music, Spotify, and so on, even with YouTube. So I keep it with YouTube. Okay, so if we go back right now here, we have the show music road, so you can toggle and toggle that. And also we have the other section will be for my battery widget, so I can keep or remove the percent inside the battery icon. You can toggle those and toggle those the way you like. The last section will be for your weather widgets, so you can tap on here. This will be allow you and giving you different kind of customized stuff. We have couple ones here, you can choose your favor. Once you're done, you need to make sure to respring your device, so your device will be take the effect. Now there's one thing that I want to just giving you guys attention on it, and that will be the gesture. So if you want that tweak to work with a floating DAC, because once I download the tweak, it didn't work. So I go back into my floating DAC here and I tap on it, and there is one of the section will be for your gesture. You can take a look, the DAC gesture, I toggled that off. So you need to make sure if you want to download the multiple and you want that tweak to work with the floating DAC, if you download the floating DAC tweak, just make sure from the floating DAC tweak, go to configuration. You need to make sure to turn off the DAC gesture. Go back and you need to go to multiple here, the same tweak that I told you guys about it, and you can right now select any kind of widget and you can go into the gesture here and then you can keep it, for example, on swipe up down. You can choose the swipe left right or double tap on it. I told you already that I download the floating DAC right now, and once the developer he says he released the new update, which is will be work with the floating DAC, so I can swipe right now and then you can take a look right now how smooth that is and nice to work and match everything on my iPhone. This is what the tweak will be provide you with, and once again, this one, if you're looking to download it in your iDevice, this one will be called the multiple. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified always whenever I release new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.